Stop spending hours on complicated software only to get average results. I literally discovered a way to create high converting Etsy products using just one design powerhouse that does all the heavy lifting for you. If you want that professional high-end look without the endless design struggle, this is the shortcut you've been looking for. In this video, I'm revealing my 5-step blueprint to go from a blank canvas in Kittl to a viral Etsy listing. Look, we've all been there, staring at Canva for 3 hours trying to make something that doesn't look like it was designed by a robot. You know that feeling when you finally finish a design and it still looks super amateur compared to what's actually selling on Etsy. That's exactly where Kittl becomes a total game changer. This AI-powered design platform literally thinks like a professional designer, giving you access to trending templates, smart color palettes, and typography combinations that actually convert. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design a product, generate high-quality mock-ups, and publish your winning product to your Etsy store. I've got the link to Kittl in the description below, so you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Setting up your business hub. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part. Setting up your creative workspace in Kittl, because this literally sets the foundation for everything we're about to create. I was actually surprised when I first logged in. I'm literally shocked they had all the design tools I needed in one single dashboard. From professional typography to high-end illustrations, you don't have to jump between 5 different apps anymore. Everything is just there, and it's honestly a game changer for my workflow. Here's exactly how we set this up. First, go to Kittl's website. Then we can hit the Start Creating button. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. You'll see their clean and minimalist interface once you log in. Next, I'll go to Gelato's website to look for a product I'm going to design in Kittl. You can use any other production partner like Printify or Printful, any platform you use. The goal here is to pick a winning item, so we know the exact dimensions we need before we start the creative process. Here, I'll hit the product catalog and pick the available product. So for example, I'll pick this heavyweight unisex crew neck t-shirt, Gildan 5000. I'll click Add to Store. Here's what most people don't know. Kittl actually analyzes trending keywords and color schemes in real time, so you're not just guessing what might work. You're working with data that's literally pulling from successful listings. But wait until you see how we're going to turn this basic setup into a product that practically designs itself. Step 2. Designing your winning product. Now here comes my most exciting part, watching Kittl's AI literally design a professional product while you just guide the creative direction. When I created my first project, Kittl actually supports designing with AI, so I just had to describe my vision and let the magic work. I literally watched it generate professional variations and illustrations that would have taken me hours to create manually. My reaction was honestly like watching magic happen in real time. Let me walk you through this step by step. We're starting by clicking New Project on the left sidebar. Then we can pick the artboard size. I'll select the t-shirt option here. After that, we can adjust the unit and DPI on the right side and choose the orientation. Now, hit the Create button. On the left side, we will see design templates that we can use. You can also browse through all available tools, graphics, photos, and other. In the search bar, you can write what your desired style is, then select one. On the canvas, we can click on a part or element, then we can see the prompt details and the tool to change the color. I'll let the color black and white here, but I'll tweak the design. So I'll click on the element. Then on the chat box, I'll write a simple prompt like this: minimalist botanical sketch, wildflower branch with delicate leaves, detailed yet clean lines, color palette, burnt orange and charcoal gray, vintage aesthetic, elegant and simple design. Next, we can click on Style and pick one that matches our vibes. After that, select the aspect ratio and the amount of image you want to generate. Then hit Generate. Once it's generated, you can click on it. If your generated element has a background, you can hit the Remove Background tool. After that, we can adjust the position. Next, we can go to the text menu and select the style you prefer. Then we can rewrite the text and adjust the color on the right side. Once we're finished designing, hit the download icon and select the PNG format. Then choose Remove Background and upload it to Gelato. Just drop your design onto the t-shirt and you'll see your vision come to life. Next, we'll fill in the basic info and set our pricing. Once you hit publish, it usually goes straight to your Etsy drafts, which is perfect for a final tweak before going live. Here's what most people don't know: you can actually save your brand colors and fonts as a custom palette, so every design you create maintains that consistent professional look that builds brand recognition. And trust me, what we're about to do with mockups is going to totally blow your mind. Step 3. Creating realistic product mockups. Now here comes my most satisfying part: transforming our flat design into realistic product mockups that make customers literally want to buy immediately. When I clicked on Kittl's mockup generator, it automatically placed my product onto different mockup types with perfect lighting and shadows. I literally went from a basic file to professional product photos in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how realistic these looked. Here's the exact process we're following. On your homepage, you can click on T-shirt mockups. After that, we can upload our designed product from our pod partner and hit generate mockup. The AI will automatically generate the prompt and mockups. In less than 2 minutes, we will have our mockups ready. Here, I already have AI generated mockups of a guy wearing my product. We can also tweak or create new mockups by clicking on our product image and hitting the AI image board. In the chat box, we can fill the prompt and then use the prompt builder tool by clicking on the icon. After that, select Nano Banana 2 as the AI model and hit generate. Here's what most people don't know: Kittl actually provides a massive library of high-quality mockups for so many different product types. From premium apparel to accessories and home decor, they've got it all, and the quality is so top tier that it gives your shop that instant professional look that buyers love. But the real magic happens when we turn these static images into video content that actually stops the scroll. Step 4. Crafting high-converting video ads. Now here comes my most powerful part: creating video content that literally makes your listings go viral on social media and drives traffic straight to your Etsy shop. When I used Kittl's video template feature, it automatically animated my design elements with trending transitions. I literally created a 15-second video that looked like it cost hundreds of dollars to produce. My mind was completely blown by how professional this looked. Let me show you exactly how this works. We're starting by selecting our mockup images and clicking the AI video board icon. After that, we can write down our prompt for the video generation. I'll go with a simple prompt like this: male model in a trendy t-shirt, starts relaxed, then smoothly poses, turning, crossing arms, adjusting shirt, subtle smile, minimal studio, soft lighting. Then, from the AI model option, pick Dance 2.0. After that, we can choose the orientation. Then we can select the duration of the video. Finally, we can choose whether the video has audio or not. Once we're finished, we can hit generate. After your video is ready, you can preview it and export it to your device. I'm just trying to have a good time. I don't know what you think. Here's what most people don't know: you can actually resize your designs in an instant to fit any platform. Whether you need a square post for Instagram or a vertical layout for TikTok and Pinterest, Kittl makes it so easy to adjust everything so your branding stays consistent across all your socials. The secret sauce is creating multiple video variations from the same design so you can test what resonates with your audience. Step 5. Launching your Etsy listing. Now here comes my most crucial part: taking everything we've created in Kittl and turning it into an Etsy listing that actually converts browsers into buyers. When I uploaded my Kittl created images to Etsy, the listing immediately looked more professional than 90% of my competition. I literally had customers commenting on how polished and high-end my products looked compared to similar listings. Here's our final step-by-step process. First, we can go to the Etsy Shop Manager and click on Listings. Now, we can download mockups in high resolution from Kittl. Then we upload them to our Etsy store. Make sure our main image is the most eye-catching mockup. We're also including our video in second place to increase engagement. We can hit publish with changes straight away since we already filled in the basic information of the product and adjusted the pricing. Here's what most people don't know: Etsy's algorithm actually favors listings with a video of the product, so using Kittl's video generation can literally improve your search ranking and visibility. The best part is you can create variations of the same design in different colors or styles using Kittl's one-click variation feature, giving you multiple products from one design session. Let's talk about what this would actually cost you otherwise. If you hired a professional graphic designer, you're looking at $200 to $500 per design. If you learned traditional design software like Photoshop, you're investing months of learning time plus expensive software subscriptions. With Kittl, you're getting professional results for less than your monthly coffee budget. I know what you're thinking, but I'm not creative enough for this. Listen, Kittl's AI literally guides every creative decision. What if I don't know what sells? The platform shows you trending designs and keywords in real time. This seems too good to be true. I thought the same thing until I saw the results firsthand. What if I mess something up? Everything is editable and you can create unlimited variations. Here's what you're really getting with Kittl. Immediate access to professional quality designs that would normally take years to master, social proof through realistic mockups that build customer confidence, viral video content that drives free traffic to your listings, and the creative freedom to build a brand that actually stands out in the marketplace. Ready to transform your Etsy game? The link to Kittl is in the description below. Join thousands of creators who are already using this platform to build successful online businesses. If this tutorial helped you see what's possible, smash that subscribe button because I'm sharing more game-changing tools every week. Don't wait on this. Every day you delay is another day your competition gets ahead. Your future customers are literally waiting for the products you're about to create.